Welcome! In front of me is an Honor Magic V3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, scroll all the way down to System and Update, select Reset, and then Reset Phone. Here you get a list of data that will be removed, which will include, most importantly, things like files, photos, music. These are probably the ones that you care the most about. It also tells you that it's gonna get rid of the accounts that are signed in on the device. That's fine. But in any case, if you have anything on your phone that you would like to preserve, maybe photos, videos, music, do make a copy of them before you go through the resetting process of the device, as this will remove them permanently and this cannot be undone. Now, I don't have anything that I want to back up, so I'm just going to select Reset Phone, and I believe we do have an option to back it up on one of the pages. Yes, we do. So you can back it up right here, but be very mindful of this option. If you're backing up your device just because or trying to reset it because you get a new phone, for instance, and that new phone isn't Honor, you won't be able to restore this data. This is creating a backup not to Google, but to Honor Cloud. Therefore, your next device to actually access this backup needs to also be an Honor. Now, in any case, I'm going to select Reset right here, and this is going to start the reset of the device, which will take probably up to 2 minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, I'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.